Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I'll be styling Tolani's hair in a Bantu knot out, which she will be wearing for the whole week. I start off by splitting the hair into two sections, making the top section smaller than the back section. Then I take the back section and split it into two sections. I'm going to moisturize the area of her hair with water mixed with aloe vera juice, and also I will now be applying my DIY hair oil, which you can find out the ingredients by clicking the link that just popped up, or you can look in the description area to find out how I make all these oils and the other products used in this tutorial. I will also be using the ORS Olive Oil for Naturals styling smoothie, which is infused with ghee, and this keeps our hair really moisturized throughout the week. Now for the back section, we'll be splitting that into two sections and we'll start twisting up the hair. If you don't know how to twist, you can click on that link that just popped up to learn how to twist the hair. Next, we'll be wrapping the hair around the base of the section to create what is known as a Bantu knot. Now it is very simple. All that you do is you can either twist or not twist, but we decide to twist the hair. So taking the section of the hair, twist it up and wrap it up. That is basically it. For the top half of her hair, I'll be flat twisting a small section on both sides of her hair. You can also cornrow if you don't want to flat twist. After that, I just wrap the end of the hair in a Bantu knot again. Now we're going to work with the rest of her hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to section her hair in a brick layered look. So what I'm doing is I'm first sectioning the first half of her hair, or 1/3 of her hair, into two and tying the hair with a rubber band. You don't have to do this with a rubber band if you don't want to, but if you use a rubber band, make sure it is not too tight. After twisting it up, I work on the other section. Now the next layer, I will create 3 twists, so almost having, as I said, a brick layered look, and you can see how the twist turned out. What you want to do next is you want to connect the adjacent twist to the next one on the next level of our hair, and almost creating, well, sort of creating a veil to our hair and creating your own design. You can connect it whichever way you want, but this is really cute, and this is how it turned out after connecting each part of the hair. Once you've done all the connecting, you want to Bantu knot the ends of the hair so that everything is all Bantu knotted, and this is the result that you get after doing that. So we're going to wait for the hair to dry, and once it has dried, it is time to unravel the Bantu knots and the twist, and she's going to help me in doing that, because you know it is very important for us not to eliminate our children in the styling process. Always involve them in styling their hair when they're able to, because this gives them independence. So once you've untwisted the Bantu knot and the twist, you can fluff it as much as you want to. I'm going to accessorize our hair using a hair bow from IOB, and this is actually like a hair flower made out of Ankara material, and we're gonna use that to just accessorize our hair. Now to take care of this during the week, you do want to just keep it in a bonnet and protect it. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.